Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2008 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6622. This ran from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2A ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2A ZFE 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear door, no dents. Left hand tail light, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door, one light crease. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,